Waiting for the perfect time to buy your first home? You might be waiting forever. That time could be right now. Kasi ang market, ang rates, property prices, lagi naman nagbabago. Paikot-ikot lang yan. And kung naghintay ka ng mas matagal, nag-iipon ka ng mas matagal, baka hindi mo na ma-afford in the future. The perfect time to buy could actually be now. Kasi property market, rates, even rents, palaging nagbabago. You might end up paying more kung naghintay ka pa ng mas matagal. We can help you prepare now, make a plan, so pag dumating yung tamang opportunity for you, boom, ready ka na. Ikaw, boss, ano sa tingin mo?
Let me take you down memory lane. 10 years ago, mura pa yung mga bahay. Ask your friends. 10 years ago, mabilis lang yung approval ng loans. You can also ask your friends. So, lalong tumatagal, lalong nagmamahal, lalong humihirap yung pag-apply ng loan. So, the longer you wait, the harder it is. So, I highly suggest, habang pwede pa at kaya pa, gawin mo na.
You don't have to start from zero. We can assist. Get in touch now and let's start planning.